Aloha, my name is Teresa Valencia, and I'm the Director of Curation and Education at Iolani Palace, and today I'd like to share with you some interesting history behind one of the objects in our collection. In 1887, Queen Kapiolani and then Princess Liliuokalani traveled to England to attend Queen Victoria's Jubilee. In order to travel from Hawaii to England at that time, it took a series of ships as well as trains, and the women took months to travel to England. Partially because travel wasn't as easy then as it is today, and partially because they wanted to do some sightseeing along the way. The women boarded a ship from Hawaii to San Francisco, where they, their travel companions, and their dozens of trunks of clothes went with them. From San Francisco, they took a train across the United States, where they did some sightseeing along the way, stopping at schools and hospitals, as well as historic places. They even enjoyed a snowball fight in the snow. The women then traveled from New York via ship again to England. Once they arrived in England, they were greeted with fanfare and welcome. The Ali'i women were seated in a place of high honor befitting their status when they attended Queen Victoria's celebrations at Westminster Abbey. You can actually see where they're seated here in this drawing that we have in the Blue Room of Iolani Palace. Do you know what contemporary events happened here at Westminster Abbey where the two Ali'i women were seated? The wedding of Prince William and Kate. If you look closely here at the drawing, you can see Queen Kapiolani and then Princess Liliuokalani seated in this place of very high honor. This dress is a reproduction of then Princess Liliuokalani's black ribbon gown, which she would have worn to one of many celebrations for Queen Victoria's Jubilee in 1887. Thank you so much for joining us for today's Object Spotlight series. We look forward to seeing you again. A hui ho.